According to UpToDate.com, 700,000 knee replacement procedures are performed every year in the US. Before you become 700,001, watch this video to find out about your other options. Hello there, I'm Dr. D. Pasquale with NSI Stem Cell, the world's leading stem cell clinic. If you've been dealing with trauma or osteoarthritis in your knee and you're sick of the pain, discomfort, and inconvenience, you may be ready to do anything to get back to normal. But surgery shouldn't be your first recourse. According to Healthline, the average total cost of a knee replacement in the US is almost $60,000. Even if your insurance covers some or even most of it, you're still looking at significant out-of-pocket expenses. There's also the recovery time to consider, the pain of the surgery, and the possibility of complications. So let's review your other options before you head to the hospital. Here are some other non-surgical options your doctor may or may not have discussed with you. Weight loss. Your knee experiences approximately 4 pounds of pressure per pound of body weight. Losing 15 to 20 pounds is the equivalent of reducing the stress on your knees 60 to 80 pounds. Physical therapy. If you strengthen your legs' muscles, you'll take pressure off of your knee and likely reduce the associated pain. Movement will also keep the joint from stiffening up. Over-the-counter and/or prescription medications. There are a number of pain relief options available. Obviously, those are short-term solutions, however. But what if you've tried these and you're still in pain or unable to function normally? Then you may want to investigate stem cell therapy. Doctors at some of the nation's most prestigious medical institutions, including the Mayo Clinic, Harvard, and Stanford, are studying how stem cells can help heal knee trauma and arthritis. These studies are reporting great success from injecting stem cells into patients' knees to alleviate pain and help delay or completely remove the need for surgery by affecting the cause, not the symptom. If you've been considering a knee replacement, contact us to discuss non-surgical options first. You can reach us at nsistemcell.com, where we'll explain how you can go about making an appointment to speak directly with a physician about your specific situation.